Yeah. I wasn't looking for love, that's the funny part. I met you on a day that wasn't supposed to matter. Phone on threes, running late. Life was moving faster, you asked me for directions. I forgot where I was going, spent answering a question I wasn't even knowing. You laughed and suddenly my whole week changed. Funny how a stranger can rearrange your brain. Cause before you, I used to sleep just fine. Now it's 2 a.m. and you're all over my mind. Is it love? What did you do to me? 1 minute I was free, now you're living rent-free inside my memories. Is it love? How you got this hold on me? I don't even understand, but every road I take somehow leads right back to where you stand. Yesterday I heard your favorite song in a taxi downtown, and for the next 3 miles I couldn't stop smiling like an idiot, looking out the window, thinking about the way you say my name, like you know me forever, even though it's only been months. And that's dangerous, cause I can feel myself falling without touching the ground. My friends say, brother, you're gone. I tell them, no, I'm alright. Then I stare at your picture for the 5th time that night. Is it love? What did you do to me? 1 minute I was focused, now you're all I wanna see. Is it love? You're messing with reality, cause every beautiful thing lately looks a little bit like you to me. And maybe that's love, maybe that's madness. Maybe that's what happens when the right person arrives. Unexpected, uninvited, and suddenly becomes the best part of your life. Cause now every sunset needs your silhouette, every story needs your name, every dream needs your face, and every future with you in it. Is it love? Is it love? If I wrote 1,000 songs, I'd still run out of ways to explain what you do. You didn't steal my heart, that would have been too easy. You stole my peace, my focus, my slogging, my logic, and honestly, you can keep them, yeah. Cause if getting lost means ending up with you, then I don't wanna be found. Tell me, is it love? Or am I already too far gone?